This conference will now be recorded.
Yeah. So I told you like acquiring trade license, transport, manufacture, store and distribute, and marketing. So in that you have MCOE first. Actually, HPM will come in the first in in SAP system, but that doesn't matter because I'm each module we are going to explain. So this is a modules for basically like when you have the plans which you want to set on a priority basis, from which plant you want to look for the stocks. So there you can pick. So like that for that purpose, you can say contracts and the priority from which plant you want to uh, follow for the contracts. So for that you have MCOE. Then after MCOE module, you have HPM. What is HPM? Hydrocarbon Products Management. So why it's called as hydrocarbon products? Because you are engineer, you can easily understand that. Because whatever inside air, you have hydrocarbons. So we are talking about here like the crude and the energy, like the chemicals and the crude oil you have inside the air. That means maybe like heavy crude or light crude or gas and even salt. A lot of these things are there. So that's why for this to support this, hydrocarbon product management is there. One, there are two parts you can divide. One part is inventory management. So HPM, MM is required for HPM. So MM knowledge are required, MM skills are required for HPM. So hydrocarbon product management. One is inventory management you have. Another one is like you are going to calculate or you are going to measure the crude oil, or maybe you want to convert from barrel to liters, liters to gallons, gallons to maybe in terms of technical forms, like you want to convert from 20 degrees Celsius to how many liters, on this like foreign heat to how you are going to convert that into kgs or like that. So like that, you have a HPM. So generally, you can say it is about inventory management in the tanks, and you are also going to maintain linear volumetric conversions. For example, 1 feet, 2 feet, 3 feet, how much content oil is there? 10 feet, how much is there? Like that. So that is about HPM. Next, you have exchange handling. So exchange handling, like it is about third-party logistics, you can say. When you have a two oil and gas company, so one company is the seller and the another company is the receiver. So there may be the partnership between two companies, maybe as a sales contract, as a purchase contract. So that's why that is here, like we have agreement in MM and SD. We call it as a contract scheduling agreement like that. So here you have exchange agreement between two oil and gas companies. Then whatever you can see here, like we have MM and SD. What is that? Is a common contract you have. That means even MM you have a contract. Purchase call off means it is order. Sales call off means sales order. Purchase call off means purchase order. Then goods receipt you have. Goods invoice you have. Payment processing is there. Whatever yellow color we can see, that is more of integrated with logistics and finance. Logical inventory, exchange statement, netting is related to finance. Now exchange agreement, exchange balance, and logical inventory, like moving the food or movement up to that, you can say it's relevant to logistics. Like that, there are two businesses, there are two partners you have. That's why MM and SD will come in picture here. Then after that, transportation and distribution you have. This is actually SD or MM. So which skills are required means SD and MM. Anyone at least. So transportation distribution, similar it looks like logistics module, like inbound logistics and outbound logistics. More of maybe SD you can say. Transportation distribution like sales and distribution. But of course, you have both like inbound logistics, inbound and outbound logistics. You can see it. When you have MM, purchase order you have, shipping notification, then goods receipt, That process may be same what you do in MM and SD, but addition to that TD, what you have bulk scheduling, bulk loading, bulk delivery confirmation. So this is the module for oil and gas downstream. This is your core module like SD and MM. SD, you're going to create a sales order, delivery processing, then goods issue and billing, like that. Integrated business process oriented supply chain, inbound and outbound bulk product movements, tracking of in-transit stocks. That means the stocks which are there in between, it's not at reach the customer, or maybe it has left the destination. So those kind of stocks, tracking of in-transit stocks, handling of in-transit gains and losses, even if there is any chances for a difference in the crude oil or maybe like gains or losses. So it has to get posted to GL account, so integration. Then capability checks, the capability checks basically like it will be, there will be capacity like based on the tank or based on the vehicle capacity, this things will come. Same is logistics. First you're going to create a contract. After the contract, it goes through the pipeline or ship, it goes to bulk manufacturing. So from there it goes to bulk terminals, that means your ports. Because, for example, if the buyer is there, let us take example in South Africa, let us take. And from Bombay, or maybe somewhere in Mangalore it is started, but from Mangalore the crude will go and it will go near the port, or maybe assume that otherwise Mumbai port, like that. So they take that to the terminals, and there they have to shift that crude, or they have to unload and load it into different equipments or different mode of transports. So that's why you have transfer, sales, purchases, bulk terminals, like that. From there it goes to dealers or like third party retailers, whoever it is, or dealers or retail outlets, like that. So this is a flow, or this is logistics flow in transportation and distribution. The same thing in detail you can see, taking the order, what you enter in the sales in the SD, then you have this relevant to TD, assigning documents to vehicles, loading documents, load vehicles from the schedules, delivery confirmation, instant shipping. So this is how it is integrated with SD and TD. Scheduling and loading vehicles. Order and delivery, like what you do, like SD in the post issue and order. So these things are there. Then again here you have scheduling. We went to 3D module, like these are the things: route planning and compartment planning, driver selection, license requirement, vehicle selection, like that. So these processes will come into scheduling. Then loading you have. You're going to load like the actually loaded quantity, compartment wise how much you have. Maybe you have, whether you have same product in all the compartments, or each compartment is different. What is the capacity of the compartment, or maybe like a rack meter you might have, or any measurement meter you might have fixed up. So those things will come here, and you can see that the excess duty also and other things you can see. Printing of shipment documents, rebanding, bill of material, American petrol limitation standards, how you're going to calculate the crude, rack meter readings, balance, loading, see like that. This again, loading is a loading process. Then you have MAP, like marketing, accounting, pricing. This is about SAP Island, as I told you. This is commodity pricing. I'll tell you a little more detail when we start. Now, example, you can see you have a crude oil, or another good example like gold you have in the market, silver you have in the market. You see that it always fluctuates in the market. So how you are going to calculate the pricing apart from SD and MM pricing? This is different. This is called as a formula and average pricing. For example, I want to say I'm going to sign the contract and I want to buy the crude maybe, but on the date of goods received or on the date of material I received, I'm going to calculate the price. Then how you are going to calculate that? Maybe the goods are shipped 1 month back, but today you are reaching goods. So which price you want to take? You want to take at the time of supply, or you want to take that means the document price or current price, like which one you want to take. So for that you have like whether you want to take gross or net pricing or how you want to calculate like that, you have MAP, marketing accounting price. That is also called as a salary index price. Then you have TDP, tariffs, duties, and permits. Like we have, there are 6 types of different accounts are there. Like excess duty, paid or unpaid, like that. And with tax and without tax, there are certain processes are there. So we will look into that. That is a TDP. That also one module is there. And the MRN is there. MRN we don't use, but it's only integration. Little bit required. We are going to do that. Marketing retail networks is about retailing side in the petrol pumps or maybe retail outlets. Then TSW you have, TSW actually what happens? First there will be requirement planning. Requirement planning will be done. It's called as a trader scheduler's workbench. The reason for that is when the food is left your destination until reaches, there are a lot of partners. Maybe the transport partners, maybe the carrier, maybe the vendors, maybe the suppliers, maybe the like rental equipment vendors who might have rented you like cranes or maybe vehicles or maybe like pipeline. So like that and so on. That's why traders, schedulers, and workbench like this. So this module we have a business partners. Then planning, what to do, schedule planning or requirement planning. Then we can do stock projection. Stock projection. Then you have ticketing. And we can say three-way pegging. Then this is actually like you can say, and one more like ticketing and nomination. This is like how you are going to carry out a movement of your goods, confirmation, moving, documentation and printing and all that will come into ticketing and nomination. Then three-way pegging means this is like basically a stock checking where system can perform in the real-time environment how much you have the stocks, like it's basically supply chain management, I can say. Demand and supply. For example, you want to check how much stocks you have at the warehouse, how much stocks you have at the production center, how much stocks we have at the purchase or maybe inventory, and so on. So three-way pegging is start. Then again, like there will be stock projection. Then work list will come. Work list means report. So these are the things. These are the things. So these are the modules we have into this round, which we will be looking into. So we think well, only 3 things won't work, but remaining it works. All we can do the scenarios except I'll tell you. Here, any third-party tools which they are going to integrate, because that can be possible only in real time. Like example, like any weighing bridges, example, weighing bridges or TPA, transportation planning interface it is called. Interface with third-party application, like this. Only these things. Otherwise, whatever oil and gas is there in the system we have, that we can do. So these third-party applications, and that means like maybe whatever they have, like example I told you, and also with the QCI interface. QCI interface, some quantity conversion in HPM you have quantity conversion. but inventory management and all we can do. QCA means quantity conversion interface, and there may be some third party vendors, maybe actually you can say certified vendors. SAP certified vendors will be there. So they provide integration with HPM. But this QCA, we can see that without software also, I can show you end user how it works. So HPM, and in that we have, like I told you, inventory. Another thing we have in that is QCI, petrol integration standards, are like the basic quantity interface, quantity conversion interface, QCI. So only this QCI, we can do all the configuration, everything, and just like dummy, like end user part also we can see. I'll show you. Only thing is practically it won't work because in the real time, that means interface means some application, third party application. Third party. Otherwise, all the things will work. So this is about TPA, and there is one more also there. It's not like third party application is out of SAP. Only those, except those things, all other things you can work. Yeah, so these are the things.
Sheikh, so are we going to cover configuration part as well?
Of course. I told you, no, configuration and business process, end user.
Configuration for all these modules, including process and everything.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Only like I told you, I'll tell you here. All modules are going to be the configuration. I can tell you HPM, TD, TDP, MAP, MCOE, and PSW. So all these modules we are going to do computer like configurations and all that. Conflicts and business process. Configuration and business process. Like that means implementation part only I'm talking about. We can configure and we can do the business process. Only these three will not these will not work. We can QCA, TPA, and one more related to TPA, there is some integration is there. Only those two. Otherwise, all other things these you can work. HPM, the TD and TDP, MAP, all these will work. And business process also can do. You can configure. PSW also you can do the configuration. So here also I told you there is an integration is there, like APO. Only that thing will not be working, and TPA. So like this, only this part will not be working. So there are three interface components are there. But otherwise, we are going to work configuration and other the business process maybe, except the interface thing.
Okay.
Just here, like is a instrument system available. Actually, this because I need to check with other student. I forgot the password. One guy is there. I think he'll come in the evening.
Okay.
So I need to because if I already 2 times I tried it to lock. I'll do one thing.
Okay.
If
Okay.
user
Okay.
is locked, so next class we can see about. I'll take because like night I have one guy. Uh, so I'll take that. Number there are 2 users are there because already I have taken 2 users.
Okay. Okay.
So tomorrow we can use that. You can directly start enough.
Yeah. Sure. Sure. Okay. Okay.
And what you can do, I'll send you my account details. And
Huh.
after the class tomorrow, so you can send 50%. You can send the remaining later on. You can send after 50% if you want. Then apart from that, what I'll do,
Uh.
I'll send you the content, and
Hmm.
I'll also send you the each class. I'll send you the notes.
Hmm.
Okay? And more than the important thing is like I'll give you the each video I'll be sending you after the class. I'll send you the link and you can download them from the mail.
Okay. Okay.
And resume preparation and all that we will do. But since already you
Uh.
know MM because you're engineer, you can understand how the oil and gas market. A lot of things are there. See, even I'm just looking at here. See, let's say parent gas. Even you can see here, same thing you check for MM, how many people will be there? This is actually one day back, just see in one day. If it is
Hmm.
MM, as you would have seen, 2,000, 3,000 people might have applied.
Hmm. 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 Yeah.
And we can see like a package also 30 to 30 lakhs is there. This is what actually Middle East now. Previously they paid even high. I went for 2 projects, like a 6 month project and 3 month project. They paid me $10,000 in one project, $8,000 per month in one project. But I was there for short-term projects
Okay.
because I prefer to go on short-term project because I have some other things also, like some other business also. So that's why. So I don't go on long term.
Okay.
I'll
Okay.
go like 6 months, 3 months, like that. I'll be going sometimes. But now that also I stopped actually. Last
Okay.
1 year, I
Okay.
stopped.
Okay. 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 Okay.
Prior to that, I went to Qatar, to Dubai, and Africa, like this.
Oh. Okay. Okay.
See, even like I told you, even this company, the customer also has it. But it's not like you will not get something like SD and MM that many requirement. People also less. If you see here, you will see the ratio here. Here, that's
Yeah.
how the
Correct.
ratio is.
Yeah.
See, India, this is what I tell you because almost students who are did, they got somewhere 12 to 18 lakhs. They got 15, 18. They got it
Cool.
easily. You see, these are the
Oh.
numbers.
Okay.
Like that, they will ask you. So,
Okay.
things
Okay.
we are looking at. Actually, this
Okay.
is one module. MA with one module. See here. Sometimes they'll ask you, but actually they'll assign you only one module. Even though modules are small, but real time these are very challenging because if you integrate with the MM and
Mm-hmm.
give you, then you can find a lot of challenges. That's why they give 1 or 2 areas as a consultant, so other team will be there. With SD maybe TD they'll be because that's a related. HPM related to MM, so they divide like that.
Yeah.
Like
Okay. SAP itself is challenging, irrespective
yes,
of yeah.
yes. Here actually like you can see MM with they'll ask like this. MM with DSW, MM with TD, MM with HPM, like this. But these are very good. Always you
Mm-hmm.
can see these are good models. Always you can see the market.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay. Okay.
I had applied for this, not for this as a project manager level, but I had asked 45 lakhs. Tech Mahindra won't pay that much. But this is the
Yeah.
market. This is the market. 45 they won't pay, but they told me 25 for a project manager. But consultant they are paying this much. You see, still it is good. 12 to 18 they pay.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
One
Correct.
of my
Correct.
old the student is working. The guy who did in 2016. Now I don't have any contact, but he joined there in Tech Mahindra. That time they paid him around 18 to 19 lakhs. I'm talking about 2017.
As a oil and gas fresher?
Consultant, not as a fresher in SAP, not possible. No, you have to put the
No, no, no,
experience.
no.
You have to
But
show the experience. You need to
fresher
convert.
in
That guy was
specific to
fresher.
oil and
Yes, yes.
gas.
That guy was a fresher only. But you can't. But even though you are a fresher, you should not tell fresher. You have to put experience in SAP oil and gas. If not in domain, you have to show the experience in with and oil and gas.
Okay.
Yeah, that's why I told you either with SD with oil and gas you have to tell. So in your case, you have to tell that you worked on oil and gas project with like this, with TD, with oil and gas like this. Tell that because you worked for
Okay.
1 year in TSW, one maybe HPM and TD 3 years. That's it, finished. So we will prepare that profile after that. We will prepare resume. So according to that.
Yeah, yeah, sure, sure. Okay, 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 definitely.
So how much you are getting right now?
You're asking about pay?
How much you are getting as consultant?
Around 8.
Okay. Then minimum they'll give you this much. 12 to 18 depends on the client you will get.
Okay, okay, okay.
Even more also. Like I told you, sometimes it depends on the clients, the companies you can see.
Yeah, maybe Accenture and IBM they can give more.
Yes, yes. See, for me, because I have 15 years of experience in the city, I'm a corporate trainer also. I have both experiences, real time and also working in real time. Apart from that, I also work as I have training, corporate trainings experience also. That's why they pay
Mhm.
me like 55,000 per day to pay per day for 5 days.
Okay,
Corporate training, they won't take more than 4 or 5 days.
okay,
That I did in the, you can say, August. I have done one training, but I was supposed to go 2 weeks back for 4 days. But now all this, I think like coronavirus, one thing is going on. Then again, it was not good now, so that's why I did it. You can.
yeah, correct. Yeah,
So I will send you that details. In the meantime, tomorrow you'll get the server access. Because I forgot this username.
yeah. Can we do one thing? Can we schedule our calls in the morning?
Yeah, we can do. So what time you want in the morning?
Around 8. So Delhi, how much time we will take these calls? I
It will take
mean,
like 1.5 hours
a
is
2 hour, 1 hour.
2 hours also required. Sometimes you can take some topics will be larger. It will take more time. Then normally one
Okay,
hour is enough. Then by the
okay.
time
Then
maybe 1.5 months you can complete, or maybe 2 months sometimes. Monday to Friday will be taking, but if you take continuously, then you can complete in one. If you spend little more time, even
okay,
every like 3 4 weeks only you can complete. So how you want? If you're flexible, then you can complete even early. Approximately take 30 hours.
okay, 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 okay. I would prefer in the morning, around 8 or 8:30 in the morning, if possible for you.
Fine, fine. We'll start at 8. 8 to 9 we'll keep.
Yeah, that would be better because I work between 2 to 11. So currently also I'm working.
Okay.
I'm working on my another system laptop. So I'm not looking into it, but
Oh,
still I'm online there.
yeah, yeah. Okay, okay. Okay.
Yeah. So better if we keep it in the morning. Yeah, that would be better. 8 to 9 is
Yeah,
fine
fine,
for me.
fine. Fine. Fine, we'll keep. So 8 to
Okay.
9,
And
like I'll tell you, okay, like 8 to 9, I already have one batch. Uh, there are two guys are there. Actually, he's island gas only. It's for upstream. So 7 to 8 we have to take. Otherwise, 9 to 10 we have to take. So how you want? That is 1 hour.
uh,
8 to 9 is 1 hour. You want 7 to 8, or you want 9 to
7 to
10?
yeah, 9 to 10 would be better actually. 7 to 8 will be too early because I
Fine,
work
fine.
between 2 to 11. So if
Yeah,
I go
fine.
to
Then
office,
8 to
I
9, I have one batch. That batch is there. For US guy, I told you, so then after
yeah,
that,
yeah,
we'll start
okay.
because I'll be online only. Anyway,
Okay.
starting from 4:30 because I have students. So I'm starting from
Oh,
4:30. US students do
Oh,
that. Not
oh.
only for oil and gas, but I do like simple finance and simple logistics. Also. Simple logistics and simple finance
Oh,
and
okay.
GRC and oil and gas.
Oh, lot of knowledge. Great.
I trained more than 3,000 people. Like I told you, this was my passion actually, training.
Yeah. Okay.
And
That's nice actually.
yeah, even even actually, you won't believe it actually because I told them I don't because I opened one project in TPM, trade promotion management, but they were not getting people. This also like actually it was 5 days, but we didn't do it for 5 days. 3 days I completed, 2.5 days or 3 days I completed. They paid 40,000.
Oh,
They didn't get the people, but finally they selected me because like it's a part of CRM and my domain also coming from retailing and oil and gas. So retailing we use like
oh,
trade promotion management. So that's why for that they took.
okay. Okay, okay.
That also some technical issue came because nobody was able to give in the market. We need some SCM old version, BW and SCM. These were the requirement in the project. So firstly, we didn't get this old system. Now S4 HANA came,
Hmm.
but able to deliver only 50% of this one. But like oil and gas, we did successfully. I have done 4 corporate trainings in the last 2 years, and prior to that, more than 15 I have done in past 15 years.
Oh,
Around 15 corporate trainings I have done, but individual trainings, lot of people. I told you more than 200, 300 people I have been trained in oil and gas students. It's a parent.
oh, okay, okay.
Because I work for more than 15 years, so I'm not actively not looking, at this time. But yes, I'm looking
Mm-hmm.
as a like some short-term projects. Even
Okay.
there is a requirement like IBM also can see a requirement. Oil and gas. IBM, even SAP they have. SAP directly SAP also they have requirement.
Yeah, I've seen many, but I think they are in the US.
Many of them, yes, of course. I told you because many of them, since they are basically E&Y manufacturer, those companies are there, no? So that's why
Mm-hmm.
even this also they are offering me like 50,000 they are.
Mm-hmm.
But only 4 days, 5 days. That's it. 5 days. This is the 5 days. 5 days.
Okay. Okay, and
I'll tell
up.
you step by step. I'll tell you. Give you that each class. I'll send you the this thing like videos also will be getting recorded videos. And if you
Yeah,
want
sure.
previous one, if you give me, I'll give. Otherwise, you can record, and I'll send you the link, and you can download. Yeah.
Yeah, sure.
Same thing.
Anything
Because
is.
I follow the same thing. Whichever the candidate. There's no need to worry.
Okay, okay, okay. And are you going to cover some HD part as well?
Yes, of course. We have that. SD, MM,
Okay.
FIFO.
Okay, so earlier we'll
Majority SD,
first we'll
MM,
start with. Okay,
MM and SD.
okay, okay. So first we'll start with MM
MM
and
is
SD, and then actual oil and gas.
yes, yes, yes. That may be like you can say 2, 3 classes. 2 classes I can say because you need that enterprise structure and all that. Based on that only you have to build starting this oil and gas modules. SD,
Correct. Yeah.
MM, enterprise structure is required, master data is required. The remaining you can do an oil and gas. That's it.
Mm-hmm.
Vendor master, customer master, integration is required, enterprise structure is required. Then we are going
Okay.
to start in oil and gas downstream.
Okay. Sounds good. Okay.
Okay, Prathamesh, then even you can also tell like if you have any friends also. So we'll fix
Okay.
up your time that tomorrow, 9 to
Can we start from Friday? Tomorrow I have some work in the morning. Actually in the
fine.
evening as well.
Yeah, fine, no problem. To Friday you want to start, right?
Friday
Yeah,
20th.
we'll
Yeah.
start. We'll start.
Yeah. Meanwhile, you can send me the details so that I can make some
Fine,
arrangements.
fine, Prathamesh. Yeah, fine. And after that, we'll also like once your 50% sessions are over, we will work on resume. I'll give you model questions and the model blueprint also will give you. I don't have for all the products, all the modules, but two modules I have, I will give you.
Yeah, sure. Okay. Fine. Yeah.
Fine.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Sounds good.
See you.
Okay. Thank you. Bye bye.